Spiders are known to be among the most abundant predators in the world. However, very few of them are famous for their unique beauty and strange behavior. These creatures are more diverse and fascinating more than them being creepy. Here are the top 20 unique spiders in the world. 8-spotted crab spider. Crab spiders have 8 eyes and the ability to see in all directions. Males have more slender bodies and longer legs. Name crab spider refers to the crab-like shape of the body and the ability of these animals to walk sideways and backwards just like crabs. The crab spider is a diurnal animal. Females lay their eggs most commonly in the middle of the summer. These hatch after 3.5 weeks. Females usually die very soon after their eggs have hatched, during their second winter. One unique term indeed. Peacock spider. Peacock spiders are part of the class Arachnidae and are most prominent in Australia, though one species is present in parts of China. Male peacock spiders have vibrant colors and are most known for their energy and spider dances. While their extraordinary display of colors and patterns is highly unique, they're loved for more than just their colorful bodies. Peacock spiders are usually only found on the southern half of mainland Australia, making them a rare sighting. These spiders are incredibly tiny. They're only around 2.5 to 5 millimeters in length. Wasp spider. These unique spiders are very distinctive-looking species. They have black and yellow stripes across their bodies, looking like no other species of spider found in the UK. Their color and pattern mimic the coloration of a wasp, which is where the wasp spider gets its name from. Their appearance is actually a defense mechanism, as by distinguishing themselves as wasps, predators leave well alone, believing them to be a wasp and not a spider. Their bright appearance may seem dangerous, but don't be fooled, as these mesmerizing little creatures are actually harmless. Northern jeweled spider. These unique spiders are a species of small arachnids, native to Australia's Queensland. In 1775, the northern jeweled spider was described and scientifically classified, being the first Australian spider to be named by Johan Christian Fabricius, a zoologist from Denmark. The scientific name of the northern jeweled spider is Gasteracantha fornicata, from information collected from Cooktown, Australia, by Sir Joseph Banks and crew from 1770. Northern jeweled spiders have a spiny striped abdomen with 6 spikes visible from the top, 2 protruding on each side and 2 at the back. Longhorned orb weaver. Female longhorned orb weavers have tough, shell-like abdomens armed with 3 pairs of spines. The spectacular middle spines project upward and outward, curving in toward each other along their length. They are up to 3 times as long as the abdomen is wide. Longhorned orb weavers are most often known as yellow orb weavers or yellow garden spiders. They look formidable, especially with their bright yellow patterns that often signal highly venomous spiders in the wild. Crab spider. This beautiful spider is able to change the color of its body to blend with the colors of its environment. The crab spider has a wide, flattened body and 4 pairs of legs. The first pair of legs is longer and better developed compared to the other legs. Crab spiders have 8 eyes and the ability to see in all directions. The body is usually less than 1/2 of an inch in length, but up to 1 inch in larger species. The crab spider's color varies, but most species are brown. Some are brightly colored in yellow, green, or even pink. Northern golden orb weaver. Golden orb weaving spiders are giant spiders with silvery-gray to plum-colored bodies and brown-black, often yellow-banded legs. The males are tiny and red-brown to brown in color. Golden orb weaving spiders are found in dry open forests and woodlands, coastal sand dune shrublands, and mangrove habitats. All orb weaving spiders make suspended, sticky, wheel-shaped orb webs. Webs are placed in openings between trees and shrubs where insects are likely to fly. In Sydney, the bushes and trees of the Royal Botanic Gardens are a good place to see them. Brown huntsman spider. Brown huntsman spiders do not use spider webs to feed on prey. These spiders are known to hunt by waiting and making no noise above their prey, then rush forward while their prey gets close. They are fast, agile, and can move through tight spaces. They feed at night. Huntsman spiders, members of the family Sparaecidae, are known by this name because of their speed and mode of hunting in wildlife. They are also called giant crab spiders because of their size and appearance. Bolus spider. Bolas spiders are famous for their unusual prey capture technique. Rather than a web, they produce a single silk line with a super sticky ball of glue at the end, which they fling at their prey. The common name Bolas spider is not particularly accurate though. A real bolus, 2 or more weights connected by cord, is swung and thrown at an animal in its entirety and works by getting tangled around the legs of the target. The spider's bolas differ in that they never leave the owner's grip and work by getting stuck on the target, which is invariably a moth. Spitting spider. This amazing spider has a distinctive slow-walking behavior thanks to its long, slender legs. Their front 2 legs are the longest, and these play a crucial role in the spitting spider's track and lure predation. The species is widespread in Britain, south of a line between Humber and Glamorgan, but very rare further north and absent from Scotland. It is widespread in Western and Central Europe as far north as Denmark. This slow-moving species acquired the common name of spitting spiders from its method of capturing prey. Jumping spider. These little leapers earn their names. They don't just hop around because it's fun. Jumping spiders use their legs to pounce on their prey, which is typically other insects. Amazingly, jumping spiders don't have special leg muscles like grasshoppers to help them leap. They propel themselves by suddenly changing the blood flow in their body. When a jumping spider wants to soar, it contracts special muscles to increase the flow of blood to its legs. This makes the legs fully extend and sends the spider flying. There is a close connection between the Spider-Man movie and our video. The main topic is spiders. In case you want to play a game with good combat and amazing action sequences, then Spider-Man Miles Morales could be the game for you. If you are a fan of the original Spider-Man, then you will definitely like it. Sequin spider. Known as mirror spiders, makes us question whether these animals are as scary or ugly as we often perceive them to be. It's particularly good camouflage in the tropical areas where it rains more because you have raindrops that also sparkle in the sun, and so the spider goes relatively unnoticed. The deposits of guanine are often accumulated into larger blobs, which often resemble a glittery mosaic. In other instances, the spider will contract its muscles across the top of the gyanocyte structures on the outside of the gut that hold the guanine crystals. Happy face spider. Another most beautiful spiders in the world are the happy face spider. It exhibits an array of color patterns on the back of its abdomen, sometimes resembles a smiling face. These spiders blend in with the undersides of leaves where they build their flimsy webs and catch prey. The happy face spider is endemic to the Hawaiian archipelago, but is often found on 4 of the islands: Oahu, Molokai, Maui, and Hawaii. The spider populations on these 4 islands show off a variety of happy face patterns. Such a variation in form is referred to as polymorphism, also known as morphs. Bird dung spider. The bird-dropping spider stays motionless on its web during the day, only hunting for prey at night. It hangs down from a single silk thread and releases a pheromone which mimics the sex smells released by female moths. When a moth comes near, the spider will capture it with its powerful front legs. The abdomen is broad and triangular in shape, concave along the midline, and has a pair of roughened humps toward the rear. These weirdest spiders have legs that are usually held folded against the body. Scorpion-tailed spider. The fascinating arachnid known as the scorpion-tailed spider has a very specific habitat range. That's because it evolved as native to only a limited portion of the globe. It's also a region well known for the astounding diversity of life, including spiders. This holds true due to the fact that it evolved as endemic to a portion of the continent of Australia. Even within that country, though, its range remains restricted. In point of fact, it's only known to live in the southern continental sections and Tasmania. Assassin spider. Assassin spiders, or sometimes called pelican spiders, are a rather rare group of spider-eating spiders. Their highly modified anatomy causes them to look like an alien creature. However, these modifications do have a purpose: to catch and kill other spiders. The archaeid spider have some bizarre features not found in other families of spiders. The long specialized parts, 2 well-developed eyes, and a long neck. The extremely long chelicerae of the assassin spiders have developed a series of long spikes to keep that prey perfectly in place when grabbed. Fishing spider. Dolomite spiders are called fishing spiders because they can run on the surface of the water. Fishing spiders feed primarily upon unfortunate insects they happen upon, but they can catch small fish and tadpoles. Both groups of these spiders have good vision and hunt their prey aggressively. Fishing spiders boast a leg span of up to 3 inches. Their rear legs cling to vegetation along ponds and stream edges, while their front legs rest on the water's surface, awaiting the telltale vibrations of that single meal or mate is nearby. Pulsating spider. That shifting, swirling thing that resembles a snake's head? It's a spider, rather a spider's abdomen. The creature's pulsating designs are proving a tricky puzzle to solve. Scientists don't know how the arachnid, in the genus Silvery-grey, produces the internal movements, let alone what purpose it might serve. These curious pulsations have also been observed in India. A 2015 post on the Entomology Facebook page described a spider putting on a similar display. Adult arachnids don't usually change their appearance much. Stamp spider. But first, do us a favor. Click that like button to inspire us. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell and you won't miss any interesting videos. Done then? Let's go. A farmer in China has got the fright of his life after finding a spider with a lump that looks like a stamp on its abdomen. Formerly known as Cycloscosmia ricketi, is one of the earliest spiders to have been documented in China and has been sighted just 8 times in the country since 2000. The bite of the hourglass spider is of low risk to humans. It is a non-aggressive spider, usually timid, but may stand up and present its fangs if harassed. Rarely bites, but if so, it can be painful. Darwin bark spider. The web of a Darwin's bark spider is remarkable in that it is not only the longest spanning web ever observed, but it is the largest orb web ever seen at an area of up to 1 square mile. Nephalia komachi, discovered in 2009, and some other Nephalia species also make webs that can exceed 1 meter across. The species described was prepared on 24 November 2009. The species is thus named in honor of Charles R. Darwin, 200 years after his birth. Which one is the most beautiful spiders? Have you ever seen anyone in real life? Let us know in the comments section. Like always, if you enjoyed it, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and leave us some love in the comments section. To keep up to date with all of our awesome videos, be sure to hit subscribe and turn your notifications on to never miss a thing. Until next time, do take care of yourself.